In this video, we'll show you how to replace the taillights on your Ford F-150. These are located in the rear of the vehicle and on either corner. Let's get started. First, we can go ahead and open the tailgate. We have two 8mm bolts on the inside. We can go ahead and remove those. With the bolts removed, taillight's loose. Now we just need to pop it out. Simply pull towards the back of the vehicle. On the back side of the taillight, we have 3 light bulbs to remove. You can turn these in a counterclockwise direction to remove them. Our new taillight came with new O-rings for the bulbs. We'll go ahead and replace those. Simply pull off the old gasket and install the new one. Make sure it's seated behind the 3 tabs, and that's good. Do the same to the other bulbs. Installing the bulbs into the taillight is just the reverse order of removing them. Turn each one clockwise and make sure they're fully set. Now we can simply line up the tabs. Press in and make sure it's fully seated. Now we can go ahead and install our screws. Make sure to test out your lights. Test your brake lights, your tail lights, your blinker, and of course your reverse lights.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.